Are you ready to ditch your spouse's last name after your divorce? Devin Slavinsky, divorce attorney. Don't worry, restoring your maiden name after a divorce is simpler than you may think, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First, check if your divorce decree already has a name change order attached to it. It may be in the back pages of your divorce decree and you may have missed it. If it already does, you're ahead of the game. That document serves as all the legal proof you'll need to update your name with various agencies. But if your divorce decree doesn't include it, no problem. You'll need to file a petition for name change with your local circuit court. This is a straightforward form that asks for personal information and your reason for the name change. Make sure to explain that this request is tied to your divorce. It's a common and valid reason that courts process regularly. Have a valid ID and payment for any filing fees. These filing fees can vary depending on the county you live in, so you may want to call ahead. Once you've submitted your paperwork, the court will typically approve your request without a hearing, especially in cases related to divorce where you do not have a criminal history. After you've received the official name change order, hold on to it. It's your key to updating everything from your driver's license to bank accounts and your Social Security records. When it comes to notifying places like the DMV or Social Security Administration, start with Social Security first. Bring your name change order, Social Security card, and photo ID to your local office. Once that's done, you can head over to the DMV, update your driver's license, and then proceed to update your financial records and anything else tied to your legal name. Don't forget to update your passport as well if you have any future international travel plans. If you need help, reach out to us and we can help along the way.